Aloha, I'm Donya, and I'm so thankful that you received this book. So, what you're holding in your hands is just paper, but what we are about to create is life together. I poured my heart into those pages since 2002, where I started teaching my method, the Donya's free play method. And I don't want to give you rigid rules, but I want to give you roots. Because only with strong roots you can fly freely. In this video, I will show you how to read this map here so your hands can stop thinking and start feeling. So open the first page and let's dive in together. So here we have a little view inside. What you get here, first of all, I created, it's on the last page, the table of content for you. When you start writing songs or you make little trainee episodes, you can find them on the pages you wrote. And so you have a big overview for the next 1 or 2 years, how long it depends you use that book. And I made a graphic for you that you get familiar with your handpan, also with the scale, the minor and the major. So you can learn a little theory, but you don't have to use it because you can use numbers, colors, whatever. And what is also important to have a vision why you're making music, why you're making songs, what you want to change in your life or for others, and also a tracking wheel to improve and show how your story with the handpan ends or start in the paniverse and you grow like we are all growing with music together. So do you want to dive deeper with me?